Allah samu dace.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. I feel highly honored for the opportunity given to me to talk about the education of blind children in Ghana. Let me commence by pointing out that education is a right to all children in Ghana. The 1992 Constitution of Ghana stipulates that every child in Ghana shall have equal rights to educational opportunities and facilities. Consequently, no potential learner of school-going age should be denied of the right to education. This, of course, involves or includes the education of persons with disabilities. And those personalities who have a problem with special educational needs. So in Ghana, education is a right, not a privilege. We have 2 schools of the blind in Ghana. One at Akropong School for the Blind, which is catering for those in the southern sector, and one at the School for the Blind, which I have attended, and I have some of my children here reciting the Quran beautifully. I'm very happy to hear them reciting the Quran. Yes, these 2 schools, if they are put together, it's not enough for the blind children in Ghana, because we have a lot of blind children in Ghana across the length and breadth of the country who have not gotten the chance to education. But a lot of us have made strides. We have professionals like teachers, lawyers, doctors, and many others. But still, most of them are not in education, in school. Blind children in school. So, Amir Foundation for the Blind, putting up the school for the blind, the first Islamic school for the blind, is a great initiative. It's a very big initiative that he has made, because we have just 2 schools for the blind. And these schools were established by Christians. So we are very happy and proud that we are also going to have our own school. And I know the school is going to help most blind people to become better people, to become assets of the country. Inshallah. Yeah. Inshallah. Blindness is not anything that one will see and say, hey, sympathizing with us. No, we don't want any sympathy. We want empathy. We want people to support us. If you give us a little push, we'll make wonders, and you will marvel. So what Amir Foundation is doing is in the right direction. Education is a shared responsibility, and I want to appeal to people who are around here and even beyond to support this foundation to be able to complete the school. It is not completed, and they want to start the school next year. So I think it's very good if we help this school to be able to complete, and we have the blind children who are everywhere and not getting education to also have education and be access to their country and to their society. If you want to help a person or a visually impaired person, you have to just at least give that person education. Education is everything. If you have education, you have everything. If you say, oh, blind, I've seen this person and I'm sympathizing with her, take 100, take 200, take 1,000. At that moment, the person will be relieved. But afterwards, the person will go back to square one. But if you give that person education, you will see that the person will become useful to everybody in this country. It's because of education I'm standing before you talking. I wasn't born blind. I became blind along the line. But because of education, I have become a district director of education, the first in the country. And I thank my God for how far He has brought me. So I just want to appeal to everybody that education is the key to success. And we have a lot of visually impaired children who have no chance to get education. So this school that is being built and not completed, I wish to appeal to everybody here, including myself, to support this school to complete, so that next year we will get people. Like some of you were saying that we can get lawyers. We have Muslim lawyers who are blind. And we have those who are doctors. And I know ministers. And I know that by the grace of God, with this school, we will even have our Muslim Islamic scholars from this school. It's not everyone that can do academic work. There are some that can do this vocational. So I know the school is also going to provide this vocational aspect of it. Some of them will weave baskets, chairs, and so many things, very beautiful for people to buy. We also know that, yes, you said somebody is an ICT coordinator here, and he's very good. The school, I know, will also provide that, and our children or our visually impaired children will make it even more than our sighted people. Disability is never inability. If you give the support, the person will perform wonders. So I'm only appealing to our politicians here, our imams, our sheikhs, and our hajias, everybody here. This school is going to be the first school, Islamic school for the blind, the first of its kind. I don't know, not only in Ghana, but I think either in West Africa and Africa. So I want everybody to support this school to become a great school so that we'll all have the benefits. Thank you very much.
Ayisha Ibrahim. Allah saka da kai. Jama'a kun ji bayanai ne. Wallahi ba
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.